So the way this thing was set up, looks like they just connected these wires here for the plug. So I'm gonna remove this. I had the right one, Phillips screwdriver. The electrical connection is what I'm trying to say. They don't supply, the Badger itself doesn't supply the unit with any like wire nuts or the plug or the wire itself. So I'm just going to take this out and get this thing done exactly like this, except I'm going to stuff it in there. Anyway, you get the idea. Stuff it in there using the wire nuts with the new one.